Are you looking for a solution to how to move emails from Hotmail to hard drive? First of all, install and run Uncle Hotmail Backup. Select Hotmail from email source. Now enter Hotmail account credentials. Now enter Hotmail app password. If you don't know how to create an app password, check the video description. Now enter the created app password. Now click on Login. User can select desired Hotmail folder to move into hard drive. The software gives you multiple file formats to move emails from Hotmail to hard drive. Select PDF as saving option. Click on the Browse tab and pick a location on your hard drive to move output file. You can change file naming option to a month, day, year format as per you need. Click on Filter option to get advanced feature of the software. This tool offers you many useful features to migrate specific emails by using filter options such as date, range, to, from and subject. Click on checkbox button of Use selective export settings for email folders. If you want to convert only sent folder, then choose only export sent folder option. To skip email body content and its attachments, choose exclude exporting email body content and attachments. Now click on Start Email Backup button and proceed further. Now, click on Start Backup button to process the conversion. This tool previews the live conversion progress. After a complete conversion, you will get a pop-up message "Conversion completed successfully." Click on OK button. Trial version will allow you to convert only 25 emails from each folder. Now click on OK. Go to hard drive and check the output data. Converted PDF files. Thank you for watching the video.